In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Zoom to Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to automatically create meeting links for your online appointments, this setup will save you a lot of time. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Integrations or Calendar Settings section from the left side menu. This is where external tools are connected. Now look for the option that says Zoom Integration. Click on it, then select Connect Zoom Account. You will be redirected to Zoom's login page. Sign in with your Zoom account credentials and allow Acuity to access your Zoom account. This permission is required so it can automatically generate meeting links. After connecting, return to Acuity Scheduling and check your integration settings. Next, go to your Appointment Type section and open the service you want to use with Zoom. Scroll down until you see the Meeting or Location settings. Select Zoom Meeting as the appointment location, instead of in-person or phone. Now save your settings. From now on, every time a client books that service, Acuity will automatically create a Zoom meeting link and send it to both you and the client. To confirm everything is working, try booking a test appointment and check your email for the Zoom link. If you don't see the option, make sure your Zoom account is properly connected and permissions are granted. And that's it. You've successfully connected Zoom to Acuity Scheduling and automated your online meeting setup. And that's how you connect Zoom to Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.